Hello, today we will do unboxing and quick explanations about Redmi Watch 4. You can replace the watch strap by pressing the buttons under the watch. Turn on the watch by pressing the button on the side. It takes a few seconds to turn on. There are instructions in the box. First, set the language. Download Mi Fitness on your phone to connect your watch. Charge the battery before setting the clock. Launch the Mi Fitness app on your mobile phone. Go to Device, and press on Add Device. Turn GPS and Bluetooth on phone. The application asks to turn on various notifications. So let's upgrade the watch. Let's go through the clock settings. Silent mode on or off. Do not disturb mode. Settings. Watch faces. Here you adjust the look of the clock. Flashlight. Search your phone. Clearing water from watch. Battery saving mode. Wait for 5 minutes, which keeps the wearable on for 5 minutes. In display mode you can set up brightness. Then auto lock is an option to how long you see watch face after wake up watch. Set up for raise to wake, when you raise your hand to see the watch. Screen on is for setup how long watch screen is on. Cover to sleep. If we cover the entire screen, watch will turn off screen. Tap to wake. If we tap on screen it wake up. If you use always on display, then watch show only time from default theme with low brightness. Sound menu, if use silent mode, alarm and timer still ring, but everything else will vibrate. Setup for do not disturb option. Settings for notification. Auto detect, if you turn on, watch will detect automatic workouts. In button settings, if you turn on, you can press side button for 0.5 second to start Alexa. You can set pin for watch. In the layout, you can set the icons as a list or a grid. In battery, you can see battery level and you can turn battery saver on. In system you can reboot, power off, connect watch with new phone and reset to factory settings. In about menu, you can find details of the watch. Let's go to the menu, press the right button. We start with workout. In history you have the exercises you practiced. Watch has a running assistant with different running exercises. Training state. Stats. Heart rate. Vitality. Oxygen saturation. Normal value should be between 96% to 99%. Here you can see data about your stress. See your sleep data here. Breathing exercise. Tracks menstruation records on your phone and predicts your menstrual cycle. Alexa. Weather. Calendar. Events. Tasks. Favorite contacts from phone. In phone you have recent calls and you can make call. You can take pictures with a mobile phone over the clock. Set alarm. In focus mode you have time for yourself without messages and distractions. Stopwatch. Timer. World clock. Compass. You can find your phone with watch. Flashlight, not a real, but light goes through the screen. Widgets, which you can create and delete yourself. Great watch for that price, because it has a lot of functions, and the battery is the best. It lasts about 20 days or more, depending on the watch's settings. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.